have here is a 14-inch hexagon with a kind of a 3D cube pattern. A couple important things about how this project came together. This was a rough exposed concrete beforehand, so we did a surface grind over the whole thing to even out all the high spots, and then we floated it for drainage. We wanted to have slope coming off of this on both directions so it would shed water. Another important detail is this gap here. This gap is to allow expansion of these stones when they get wet in the winter. When it freezes, you'll have some frost heave, so we've got that gap there so that when that heaves, it won't affect our tile work. Another important part of this is our silicone. We've got 100% silicone around all these edges where it touches the house and the paint, and that allows for expansion and contraction for when you get the weather. A lot of people don't realize, but stone actually expands and contracts similar to wood, just not nearly as much. Another detail here is we've got the powder coat Schluter metal that just covers that unfinished edge of the tile when it's cut, and then as you can see, we've taken the pattern and we've wrapped it down to make it look even more 3D effect and just blend it all together and make it look like it's supposed to. And we were able to do that on both corners, both directions, so you can see how the pattern changes and drops down.